Hey beautiful friends, it is Carissa here. I have this magnetic calendar, so to speak. These are all different magnetic pieces, so you can make your own like a little calendar on your fridge, or if you have like a file cabinet or something. I'm going to take it out so you can see all the pieces that come with it, and then I'll do a little display. So we have January through June, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so many numbers. And then July through December, the rest of the numbers. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then it gives you 2 sets of them. So, you know, you can put them in 2 different places, or if you lose pieces, you have backup. So, got these on here. Change them out the month, the day, the letter,